Laila Styles Bd is a LEED Gold certified woven garments factory with modern technologies located at Bahadurpur Sheikhtarbari, Gazipur. Laila Styles started its journey in 2018 with the direction of former BGMEA President and Chairman of the company, Mr. Siddiqur Rahman, under the able leadership of Managing Director Mr. Imranur Rahman and other directors. Laila Styles is a one-of-a-kind state-of-the-art factory where representatives of international brands and bodies after their visit praised it highly and showed interest in placing their orders. Internationally, it has created an impressive national image by setting up a high-standard, eco-friendly apparel industry. At present, about 4,000 employees are working in the factory. Amongst them, 80% are female and 20% are male. To keep pace with the latest trends in business, modern and high-technology automatic machines are installed to meet the latest global fashion trends by a competent design team. An accredited in-house laboratory with latest testing equipment established to check quality parameters of the products. A modern storage system is put in place to ensure smooth production support. The factory has been constructed following BNBC standard and NTPA guidelines. Structural, electrical and fire integrity assessments have been carried out by recognized international third parties like Bureau Veritas, Accord, Mott MacDonald, EIMS, etc. and received outstanding green category results from all assessments without any negative observation. Laila Styles is a 100% compliant factory where labor laws and environmental laws are strictly followed along with international standards like RAP, SEDEX, BSCI, SCAM, GOTS, GRS, RCS, OCOTEX, HIG, etc. Salary, leave and fringe benefits are provided as per legal provisions. Payment is made digitally for all employees through bank accounts and mobile banking. Secured payment system is ensured with dedicated ATM booth in the factory. Females are encouraged and given priority for recruitment and promotion. Opportunity is given to women to take command of high-tech machines and the production floor. Thus, our recognition to women in the factory has given confidence and a sense of comfort to the high street renowned global brands to work with Laila Styles. Environment-friendly materials and energy-efficient equipment is used in the factory, such as bus bar trunking system, eco-friendly air conditioning systems, incineration boiler, servo motor-based sewing machines, solar panel, energy-efficient LED lights, etc. By adding sufficient quantity of windows, glass walls and void, full utilization of sunlight has been ensured in this factory. Solar panels of 50 kilowatt capacity have been installed. If solar electricity is not in use, the produced electricity is transferred to the national grid. Rainwater harvesting system is in place. Rainwater is collected in a designated underground tank with a capacity of 150,000 liters and used for toilet flushing through a separate distribution line. Carbon emission is kept within the permissible limit by adding appropriate devices in the boiler. About 50% land has been utilized for greenery and landscaping, which includes natural lake, trees and vegetation. Solid wastage of fabrics and papers are used in the incineration boiler as fuel. The factory is equipped with latest automatic fire detection and protection systems with positive suction fire pump backed by auto-starting jockey, electrical and diesel pumps. There are 6 exits in the production building and minimum 2 exits ensured for other buildings, fed with wide pathway ensuring a completely safe exit during emergencies. Emergency doors and aisles are always kept free of obstructions by a trained fire team. An adequate cleaning team is engaged to always keep the factory neat, clean and healthy, along with a daily cleaning program for all infrastructure. Industrial exhaust fans are installed along with a mechanical ventilation system to keep good flow of air in the floor. The temperature and humidity is checked daily to maintain comfortable working environment complying to local laws. In relevant machines, appropriate PPE is provided free of cost. A drinking water treatment plant with reverse osmosis system has been installed to provide safe and pure drinking water for employees, along with normal and cold water provisions through separate service lines. Separate toilets and washing facilities are available for males and females conforming to legal requirements. There is a 5-bed clinic providing occupational health treatment with necessary free medicines for workers and their dependents by 2 registered doctors, nurses and medical assistant with facilities of emergency oxygen support, blood grouping and separate wards for males and females. The factory has an elected participation committee and a safety committee as per local laws where female representation is maximum. The factory has set priority to employ differently abled people as per their capability where they can work suitably despite of their challenges. Special care is taken by a competent welfare team. We respect motherhood and take special care for the expectant and new mothers. Designated rest chairs are kept on the floor to facilitate pregnant workers' hourly rest. The factory has a well-equipped and decorated child care unit including separate and confined breastfeeding rooms, preschool study facility and playground cared by trained child attendants. There is a canteen with necessary food items which remains open throughout working hours and a well-furnished dining hall where more than 30% employees can dine in. There is a training center where adequate and required training is imparted to workers. Both theoretical and practical knowledge, including on-the-job training, is given to freshers and existing operators to make them more skilled. Workers' skill development training is provided combined with internationally recognized renowned organization Shudokho. Besides, firefighting and first aid training is conducted through Bangladesh Fire Service and Civil Defense, and occupational health and safety awareness training conducted by internal trainers. A fair price shop has been established in the factory from where workers can buy their groceries with 30% credit facility against their salaries. Items are sold without profit and amenity charges. There is one-stop help desk in each floor manned by a welfare officer to support any issues and handle any grievance of workers. Female workers are provided with monthly package of free sanitary napkins. A scholarship program is in place to support the education of the children of workers. The company has a very successful corporate football team of Bangladesh, Bando by Laila Group, led by the Managing Director Mr. Imranur Rahman, along with company employees, which makes a direct bridge between the owner and employees. They have won many silverware both locally and internationally. Laila Styles is committed to deliver high-quality products to its customers that is produced in a meaningful and good working environment. Our aim is to run a model factory which will not only provide employment with good salary but also ensure environment, health, safety and smiling faces in the workplace that keeps on developing continuously.